Atlas English class. Today I'm going to introduce you about airplane legroom. Well, when you get on an airplane, any airplane, you can see that in economy, legroom is very, very, very short. So, people that are big, sit on economy where legroom is short, their knees get onto the front of the seat, and so it is very uncomfortable. Then why are those legrooms so short? Well, actually, in the past, it was not. Well, in the past, when airplanes first came, legrooms were very big and was very comfortable and did not have many seats because legroom is a lot. But after time went by, seats, get many, and while seats got a lot, those legrooms got short and it becomes right now. And so, actually there is a seat where legroom is big, which is the exit rows, but during evacuation there is responsibility to those exit rows. So if you don't want responsibility, you can go to other seats, but legrooms are short. So, we need to make airplane legrooms bigger. Okay, today I introduced you about airplane legrooms, and next time we'll come with a different topic. Bye-bye, and see you next time.